Question 1a. Make A the subject of the formula m equals AC minus BD. So in other words, we need to get that A on its own in the formula. So in terms of what's happening to it, you've got this multiply by C that's stuck to A. That being the closest thing to it, we're going to get rid of that last. And then we're subtracting this BD afterwards as far as how you read it, which means that's what we need to get rid of first. So we're going to add BD to both sides, because doing that is going to make this minus BD disappear, which is what we want in order to rearrange. So we're going to have M, capital M, plus lowercase bd equals AC. And then in order to get rid of that C that is multiplying the that C that is multiplying the A, we're going to divide both sides by C, so that will make that disappear. And you'll be left with little a on the right hand side. On the left hand side, all of this will be written as a fraction, and that is our answer. That is A as the subject. Part B. Solve the inequality 5x take away 4 equals 39. So we're trying to get x on its own here. So we're going to get rid of that 5 and that minus 4, starting off with the one that's furthest away. So we add 4 to both sides first. Tidy that up. We're going to be left with a 5x less than 43. And then we're going to divide both sides by 5, giving us x is less than 8.6. You could also write this as 43/5. Either is fine. And last part of 1, factorize fully 18e squared f cubed minus 12e cubed f. So take this one step at a time. First of all, we're going to look at the numbers, see what they have in common. Then we're going to look at the e's, see what they have in common. And lastly, we'll look at the f's, see what they have in common. So as far as the numbers go, 18 and 12 can both be divided by 6. That's the largest, the highest common factor we're going to get out of that. So 6 is the largest number. Also, you could kind of carry on with this. So if we divide both of these by 6, we'll be left with a 3 here, and we're going to be left with a minus 2 there. It's entirely up to yourself whether or not you want to do all of this in one go, or whether or not you want to do it in bits, like what I've done here. But taking that 6 out will leave us with a 3 and a 2. The e squared and the e cubed, they can both be divided by e squared, which means there's not going to be any e terms left with the 3, but there will be a single e term left with the 2. And then lastly, f cubed and f can both be divided by a single f, leaving us with f squared with the 3. There will be no f term here, and that is us having factorized fully.